Hey guys, what's up? I'm Mark and welcome to Epic Confections. This week I wanted to show you how I created this beautiful red Gothic inspired birthday Halloween cake and these beautiful red candy apples. Yes, red candy apples for Halloween. So, 2 videos in 1. Let's do it! Alright, to start, let me just say, sorry I couldn't make a video this week. I was crazy busy. However, I am doing a video right now. You just can't see my pretty face. So let's start with these candy apples. So to take all the wax off the apples, I did fill a big pot of water. Now I didn't boil the water. We're not trying to boil apples here. What we're trying to do is just get them nice and hot to remove the wax from them. And then I filled up my sink with really cold water and put them in a cold water bath. And here I am just drying them all off with a nice clean rag. Look at those apples. Next, I had a whole bunch of these wood candy apple sticks. I got them at Michael's, I think. And I just stuck them right in the top of all the apples. Remember, remove your little tiny stems first before you do this. Next is making the sugar. Now this is a process. Sugar goes through many different stages. So to start, in a big pot, I'm mixing together 3 cups of granulated sugar. Next, I'm adding 2 cups of water. And here I'm adding 2 cups of white or clear corn syrup. Very gingerly, I'm mixing all those ingredients together. And then I'm scraping the sides of my pot. Now, you do want to take some water and just sprinkle it on the sides of your pot. That prevents the sugar from burning on the sides. I just wanted to show you my candy thermometer. This is a Wilton thermometer. I love it because it shows you the soft crack and the hard crack stages of when sugar boils. You definitely want to get this sugar to a hard crack, which is 300 degrees Fahrenheit. It is very important. Do not remove or touch this sugar until it is at 300 degrees. Again, do not stir the sugar until it is at 300 degrees Fahrenheit. When it is, you can add your dye really quick, give it a little stir around, and then remove it immediately off the heat. This is the fun part, dipping the apples. I'm just tilting my pot just so that I have a nice amount of candy to coat my apples. And that's it, just dip them, make sure you get them all coated, and then I put it on a piece of parchment paper and let them dry. And look at those apples. They're crystal, not clear, but they are a beautiful mere red. I love them so much and they taste incredible. Go have some Halloween candy apples this season. All right, moving on to the Halloween Gothic Cake. Here I have 4 layers of 6-inch round cakes. I've already cut, stacked, and filled them. And here I'm just icing them with a red buttercream, making sure to get it as flat as I can with my spatula. Here I'm just taking my flat cake home and I'm just holding it straight up and down, flush with the board, and making sure that I get a nice even coat of buttercream all the way around the cake. And then I'm bringing in that excess buttercream from the top right into the center, and that leaves me with a nice crisp edge. Here I took some black airbrush and I'm just using it on the bottom part of the cake. If you don't have an airbrush gun, you can always stipple on some color. Next, I already mapped out on the top of the cake where I wanted those little, I guess, curtains, or not curtains, swags, you would call them. I already mapped out where I wanted those, and I took some black buttercream and just started doing some piping. I also piped the top and the bottom of my cake. And then here I started drawing a spider web. So I just started with a small tip, same piping bag, and just drew on a couple spider webs. And then threw on some black and red roses for some finishing touches. I love this cake. So that's it, guys. Here are 2 videos in 1. This amazing red Gothic vintage Halloween birthday cake and some amazing candy apples. If you like what you saw, smash that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that bell notification for new epic videos every single week. Stay safe, stay healthy, guys. I will see y'all next week. Mwah! Happy Halloween!